In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online store in Ecwid. If you're ready to dive into the world of e-commerce and start selling your products online, then you're in the right place. Ecwid is a user-friendly platform that simplifies the process of setting up and managing your online store. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Ecwid website. Once you're there, you'll see various options and features, but what we need to do is head over to the settings. This is where the magic begins. By clicking on the settings button, you're entering the control center of your store. Here, you can start configuring all the necessary options to tailor your online shop to your specific needs. Now it's time to give your store its own identity. Enter a name that best represents your brand or the products you're showcasing. A catchy and memorable store name can help attract customers, so give it some thought before entering it. Once your store name is looking good, we need to ensure that the store settings reflect your operational region and target market. Click on Regional Settings to adjust this. This section allows you to select the currency that your store will operate in. Make sure to choose the currency that matches your business requirements or the primary currency of your target customer base. This step is crucial for ensuring a seamless transaction process for your buyers. Now let's talk about the heart of your store, your products. By clicking on the Products section, you'll find where you can add each item you aim to sell. Enter detailed information and enticing descriptions for each product. Don't forget to include quality images that showcase your products at their best. Remember, good product presentation can lead to better sales. Equally important is how you get those products to your customers. Next, click on Shipping and Pickup. Here, you have the chance to define how your products will be delivered. Whether you offer shipping, local pickup, or both, ensure that you provide clear options to suit your customers' preferences. With shipping sorted, let's not forget about the crucial aspect of payments. Head to the Payment tab to set up payment methods. Offering a range of payment options can enhance your store's accessibility, so consider what will be most convenient for your shoppers. Finally, let's make your online store visually appealing and functional. Click on the website section, and from there you can click on Edit Your Website. This is where you can customize the appearance of your online shop, adjusting the layout, colors and text to ensure it aligns with your brand image and offers an engaging customer experience. And there you have it. With your Ecwid store all set up, you're ready to start selling your products to the world. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.